combo, and today we're gonna make chocolate bark. The first ingredient is chocolate wafers. The next is granola and almonds. We need those because we are going to put them in the bark. So it's really simple. All you have to do is take this much chocolate wafers, and then you're gonna microwave it for 30 seconds. You keep on microwaving it for 15 seconds extra until it gets that smooth texture. So now you have to mix it all up. This has a really smooth texture, so I think we're ready to pour it in. Let's pour it in. It's all smooth and perfect. Yes, it's perfect. Now let's smooth it out and spread it out. So you have to spread it out to be sure, and then you'll get your chocolate bark. Don't do this for too long, or else it's going to get really hard. So you have to do it fast. Let's put in the granola. That was half of it. Now let's put in the almonds. So once you've done this, it should look like this, and then you can either put it in the fridge for 30 minutes and leave it there, or you can leave it outside for 3 hours. Honestly, I prefer the fridge. Now, good luck and have a good taste.